Hi, welcome to Database. In this video, we will learn about Treemap's chart. So first understand what is Treemap chart. Treemap chart is a hierarchical chart that can be used to show two layer of informations. We can see here in our data, we have country name, and in every country name, we have different sports. So this is a two level information. So whenever we wanted to represent these kind of information, it is a two level or three level information that can be represented by an hierarchical chart. There are two different hierarchical chart. First is sunburst chart and second is tree map chart. This video will focus only on tree map chart. I have already recorded a video regarding this sunburst chart. You can watch that video. So you can see that this is a tree map chart. And here in USA, this blue color here it shows USA, and it has three different sports: athletics, gymnastics, and swimming. And this has been bifurcated as compared to their numbers. So when we are saying that the total number of medals won by USA is 103, and out of this, athletics on about 43, then 16 and 44 are by the other ones, means gymnastic and swimming. So about 41% is athletics, and 16% is gymnastic, and 43% is swimming. So if we see that this area is bifurcated according to that, means swimming and athletics is approximately the same number, so they are equal, and the rest smaller value goes to gymnastic. The same will go for this United States, China, Great Britain, Russia, and Germany as well. So if we see that whosoever own the highest one will capture the more area in this graph. And that is how this hierarchical chart represents. So basically, first it will bifurcate. This is the first level of information. So here, here we have approximate 103 for United States. Then for China, we have some 48. Then we have Great Britain that has approximately 36. And then I think Russia Federation 37. And the last one is for Germany. So basically, this chart, when we are creating this chart, first divides area basis the volume of the particular country. So the maximum area will go for USA, then China, then Great Britain, and approximately both are equal, Great Britain and Russia Federation. And the smaller area will go to Germany. And in Germany, if we can see that there is two different numbers, 10 and 8, which is approximately equal. So Germany has divided into two parts. And that is how hierarchical chart works. So to create a hierarchical chart, we first need to go in insert, and in insert, we can see here insert hierarchy chart. So in this, I have this tree map chart and just click it here. So this is my chart, and we can modify this. There are multiple options are available here. So we will just increase the size and then decrease some volume font of this, and after that there are some chart styles is also available here. We can use any of them, like whatever suits us, we can use that. Somewhere this looks good. Then after, if you wanted to put some data labels, we can put it here also. That depends whatever we need, we can use it here. Even we can change, if we wanted to change the colors, we can change it here. So that is a very good way to visualize our data whenever we have data in multiple layers. So I hope you like this video, and this video was very informational for you. Please like our channel, subscribe this, and share it with others also, so that they can also get benefited from it. Thank you for watching.